Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F15 and I want to show you how clear up cache and data on this device. To do that, swipe up the screen and open Settings application. In it, we look for our apps selection, which is right there. Now we must wait a second to loading it. And there we have a list of our all application. In it we must find application which we want to clear, maybe calendar application. We tap on it and there we scroll down to our storage selection. And there by this icon we can clear only cache and we clear it. To clear all data we press clear data and continue all by delete and we clear all data. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.